Then my phone buzzed. A notification from my gallery. New photo saved. I didn't take any new photo. Slowly, I opened it. It was the same road, same place, but this time there was no distance, no space. The figure was right in front of the camera, so close. I could see its face clearly. It wasn't a stranger. It was me.